If you can scroll Instagram for 5 minutes, you can make money doing the exact same thing. And no, this is not crypto, not dropshipping, not affiliate links, and not selling anything. This website pays you just for posting videos. Most people think you only get paid online if you sell a product. That is false. Here, you get paid for views. Let me show you how it works. This platform is called Affiliate Network. You sign up as a creator for free. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a section called Explore Campaigns. This is where the money comes from. These are real brands paying creators to post videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. You are not convincing anyone to buy. You are simply giving brands exposure, and they pay you for it. Now let me explain the payment system in the simplest way possible. They pay you by something called CPM. CPM means how much money you earn for every 1,000 views. Here is an example. The CPM is $1.25. The minimum views required is 1,000. The maximum you can earn per post is $500. There is no base pay. That means if your video gets 1,000 views, you start earning. If your video gets 100,000 views, you earn $125 from that one video. No product, no customers, no shipping, no refunds. Just views. Here's the best part. You do not need followers. You do not need to show your face. You do not need money. You do not need experience. You only need consistency and to follow the rules. Because if you break the posting rules, you do not get paid. And if you follow the rules, you get paid automatically. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Go to the creator sign-up page and make your free account. No interviews, no phone calls, no waiting for approval. You sign up, verify your email, and you enter the dashboard. Step 2. Go to Explore Campaigns. This is where you choose what you are actually going to get paid for. First, filter by the platform you want to post on: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Next, choose the language. English usually pays higher. Now look at the RPM, the view requirements, and the campaign rules. Pick the campaign that matches your account, your audience, and your content style. This is how you avoid wasting time. Once you select a campaign, this becomes your money offer. Step 3. Open the post rules for your selected campaign. This is extremely important. These rules decide whether you get paid or you get nothing. Follow the format. Follow the content rules. Follow the posting schedule. Because views do not matter if your video gets rejected. Step 4. Go to the social section and connect your social media account. Connect TikTok, connect Instagram, connect Facebook if available. If your account is not connected, the system cannot track your views. If your views are not tracked, you do not get paid. No exceptions. Step 5. Now you create your video. You can use motivation clips, quote videos, AI visuals, story videos, screen recordings, or faceless reels. Post the video. Once your video hits 1,000 views, your earnings start generating automatically. Step 6. Go to the payouts page. This is where your earnings turn into real money. Once you reach the minimum payout, you withdraw directly from the dashboard. This is not theory. This is how you get paid. There is also a referral section. This allows you to earn money by inviting other creators to join the platform. When they post videos, you earn as well. So now you have 2 income streams, one from your own videos, one from other people's videos. Now here is the honest truth. If your video flops, you make 0. If your video performs, you get paid. This is not guaranteed income. This is performance-based income, and performance is under your control. Here is the entire business model in simple terms. Pick a campaign, post one video, hit 1,000 views, get paid. Repeat the process daily. That's it. Campaigns rotate, CPMs change, view limits get filled. So if you wait, someone else takes your spot. I placed the official website link under this video. If you qualify, you get paid. If you don't post, you don't. Now you're going to do one of 2 things next. Scroll to the next video, or test something that actually pays for views. Your move.